Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we discussed about some operators we are using in the C programming language. Now, we are going to discuss the next one. Last lecture, we studied about some assignment operator. Assignment operator are those operators that we are using to assign a value of a variable. In the last lecture, we already learned about the different type of assignment operator. Assignment operator are those. First is simple assignment. Second one is plus and assignment operator. Minus means subtraction and assignment operator. Multiplication and assignment. Division and assignment operator, and mod and assignment operator. Now, how we can use all of them? Discuss one by one. First, the definition of assignment operator says that it is used to assign a value of a variable in another. Just like simple assignment operator says that if we want to assign any value, just like a 10, I want to give to the variable a, then how we can write in this way? A equal to 10. It is not equal but assign. Assign is exactly the different from the equal operator. Exactly, we are writing only a single equal operator, that is called the assigning, and we are assigning a equal 10 means I am assigning the value 10 into the variable a. First, my variable is n1, n2 and c. I am taking three variables, all the variable having the data type int. N1 is equal to 5, n2 equal to n1. I am assigning the value of n1 into n2. This line shows that n1 belongs to the 5 value, and if I am writing n2 equal means I am assigning the value of n1 in n2, then I have to write in this way: n2 is equal n1. Now n2 also belongs to the value 5 and n1 is also belongs to the value 5. The next variable is c. I want to add the value of n1 and n2 and I want to assign the value into the variable c. For this I am writing the following statement: c equal to n1 plus n2. In this way, c getting the addition of both the variable, that is n1 plus n2. Now printf statement, we all know that it is used to print the output. First, it is printing the value of n1 means %d. I am using here %d because my n1 belongs to the integer data type, n2 belongs to the integer data type, and c also belongs to the integer data type. In this way, I am trying to print the value of n1, n2 and c. Let's see the output. Now, my output of the program says that the value of n1 is 5. Yes, exactly. The value of n2 also 5. Because I am assigning the value of n2 in the n1. The value of c is 10 because I am putting the addition of both n1 plus n2 into the c. Our next operator belongs to the assignment is the plus and the assignment operator. How the plus works with the assignment? Let's see. First, we are discussing the definition of the plus and assignment. The definition says that this operator is the combination of the plus means the addition and the assignment operator. This operator first add the current value of the variable on the left to the value on the right and then assign the result to the variable to the left. Means left hand side we are having a variable and right hand side we are also having a variable. When we are going to do the addition, then our first operand is the left hand. Left hand is going to the add in the right hand and the assigning it onto the right. Let's see. I am having an example: a plus equal b can be written as a equal to a plus b. What this means? It means if I am writing a equal to a plus b, I am also written it in the form of a plus equal to b. Means a equal to a plus b is exactly the same as a plus equal b. It is a way, in short, to write this statement a equal to a plus b. Let's see how. I am also taking the two variable again for showing you through the program how the plus and assignment operator works. First is your n1, n2. n1 is 5, n2 is 10. Again, I am using here plus and assignment operator and write this 9 to n2 plus equal to n1. I am also write it in the way just like n2 equal to n1, n2 plus n1. Means both the ways are same and both the ways getting the same result, but it is a shorthand or the shortcut or a short way giving plus an assignment operator to us to perform the following operation as usual. Again, I am trying to print the value of n1 and n2. Now get the result. What is the output? My output is the value of n1 is 5. Exactly, I am assigning n1 equal to 5. The value of n2 is 15. Just because I am using the plus and assignment operator, we try to add the n1 and n2 and assigning it into the n2. Next, exactly just like the plus and assignment operator, my subtract and assignment also working in the same way. Subtract and assignment operator try to subtract the operand on the left hand side with the operand on the right hand and assigning it into the again left hand side. How it's work? I am having an example and I am writing this operator just like A minus assigning B. It means I am trying to minus the value or subtract the value of A from B and assigning it into the again A. How it's work? I am also having an example. You can see I am having the value 8. 8 is the value of A, and when 8 is minus from the 6, I am getting the result 2 and it again is stored into the variable A. We are having a program for the same program to use subtract and assignment operator. First, we are using again two variable. I am having the value is that is n1 is 5 and 2 is 10. When I am trying to n2 minus equal means assign n1, then n1 value is again 5. n2 minus n1 means 10 minus 5 and again it is stored in the value of n2. I am try to use printf statement and printf statement is printing the value of n1 and n2. What is the output of the program? Let's see. Output giving me the result 5 means the value of n1 exactly it is right. The value of n2 is again 5 because 10 minus 5 I am trying to minus using the minus operator means subtract operator and try to store the value of my performance into the n2. Then the value of n2 is 5 because 10 minus 5 is 5. So the output of the program is exactly correct. In the same way, when I am using multiply and assignment operator, all these types of operator are just like a shorthand that are used in the various application in the programming language that I am using so many times to multiply, to divide, to plus and to minus. First, the multiply and assignment operator is exactly right in this way, the multiplication symbol and assignment symbol. The multiply and assignment work also in the same way just like a plus and assignment. First is multiply in the left hand side operand to the right hand side and store it into the left hand side operand. My left hand side operand is A and right hand side operand is B. A multiplication B and store it into the left hand operand that is A. Exactly the same. The value of A is 6 in this example. When the A is multiplied by the B, then we are getting the result 30 because A is our 6, A is 5 and B is 6. 5 into 6 that is 30. To show this how it's work, we are having a program. Let's see. It is a program to use multiply and assignment, multiplication and assignment operator, n1 having the value 5, n2 having the value 10, n2 into equal n1 that is assigning the value into the n2. First I am trying to print n1 that is the value of n1 is 5. The value of n2 I am getting after the multiplication that is 5 into 10. The answer is 50. Let's see the output. Yes, output is the same. The value of n2 is 50 and the value of n1 is 5. In this way, the multiplication and assignment work. Next is I am having another divide and assignment operator which also works like this. It divides the two operands and store the result on the left hand side operand. In this way, when we write this operator, we have to write the variable name A, then divide symbol, then assign symbol and then the another operand. When I am trying to use this operand in this way, we can use this operator just like the value of the A divided by the value of B and it will store in the a variable. We are having a program to use divide and assignment operator, exactly the right, n1, n2. We are having the two variable, n1 having the 5, n2 having the 10. When I am trying to divide it, then I am trying to divide the 10 by 5. That is n2 divide assigning n1. And I am having the result which going to store in the n2, and n1 is the value existing 5, n2 having the value existing 10. When 10 divided by 2, then I am getting the result. The output of the program is as, yes, exactly. When the 10 divided by 5, I am getting the result 2. And 2 is now going to store in the variable n2. We are having the another and the last. We are using with the assignment operator, that is modulus and assignment operator. We all know in the last lecture we already learned it is a sign of the modulus operator. What is the modulus operator? The operator that gives us the remainder as an answer when we are going to operate it on the two operand. We are having an operator that is modulus. We are having the two operand. When the two operand are going to divide with each other, what will be the remainder is the answer of the modulus. The modulus and assignment doing the same work. The operand on the left hand side is going to divide with the operand on the right hand side, and the result is stored in the operand on the left hand side. Here is the example. I am having a mod assign b, means the value of a is going to divide by value of b, and the answer is stored in the value a1, which is on the right hand, which is on the left hand side, and answer I am getting is 0. Let's see with the help of a program. Again I am having n1, n2 as an integer type of variable. The value of n1 is 5, n2 is 10. When I am using n2 mod assigning n1, means I am going to divide 10 by 5 and I am trying to printing it. When you are trying to print the n1, the value of n1 is 5, the value of n2 means 10 divided by 5, I am getting the remainder 0. And this is the output, yes, as usual. n1 existing 5 and n2 I am getting the 0. Yes, as usual, we are having to learn a lot of operators in C. Yet in the last lecture, we already discussed there are so many operators. Last one we are having the other operators in C, and also in the other operator we are also having the 2, 3, 4, 5 many operators. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, we are having other operator in C, and the first operator I am going to discuss, that is the conditional operator. Also we are having to say it are the conditional or ternary operator. So many times we are seeing the condition that when we are trying to use the if condition is writing a line by line coding, and as usual we know it takes so many lines of coding. So ternary operator or conditional operator help us to reduce the lines of coding we have in the if condition. The conditional operator in C is a similar of the if-else condition, but the conditional operator take the less space and help us to write the if-else statement in the shortest way possibly. It is also known as ternary operator, and it operates on the 3 operand. Let's see. There are 3 ways in which we can write the syntax of the conditional operator or ternary operator. As we know that it is clear from the name, it is also conditional operator. So first in the syntax, we have to give the condition. Means first is the variable equal to, we are using our expression 1, then the question mark. Why it is a question mark? It is a sign, it is an operator that we have to use while we are having to use the conditional or ternary in the program. Question mark and column is exactly the ternary operator or conditional operator, and it is used in the same way that we have first expression 1, then expression 2, and the column is expression 3. We are having the 3 expressions to compare with each other, or we can also use the syntax in the second form. Your variable name, then your condition, then your statement first, means the expression, and then the another expression. And the third form is also valid form, that is the condition first we are giving, then the variable equal to our condition or the statement, then colon, then our second statement.